This video explains how vehicle owners can use the VOYO app to link to shops and manage their connections in VOYOLink. To get started, log into the app with the same account name and password you use for your VOYO device or fleet account. From the dashboard, click on the settings icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, click on VOYOLink. To link to a shop, you can search by name or by location. Select a shop to see more information. You can link all vehicles with the Link All button, or send requests for individual vehicles. A link request changes the button to pending. Within 3 days, you will be notified by email if your link request is accepted or declined. If a link is accepted, the button changes to Unlink. If a link is declined, choose another shop, or resubmit your request. To remove a link to a shop, click Unlink. You can link to up to 3 shops per vehicle. VOYO provides advanced health and diagnostic information on your vehicles. From the control panel, you can see information on odometer, remaining oil life, tire pressure, and fuel level. From the Scan Pro screen, you can view diagnostic codes set on your car. This information is shared with your linked shops. Scan Pro includes which controller set the code and more detailed information to help shops remotely evaluate your vehicle. You can also see outstanding recall notices for your vehicle. To see your list of linked shops and vehicles, click on the VOYOLink button from Scan Pro or from Settings. Thank you for choosing VOYO with VOYOLink. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@voyolink.com.